Accomplished an economic turnaround of historic proportions.
President Trump taking a victory lap outside the White House this morning as new numbers show the fastest economic growth in the U.S. since 2014.
I am thrilled to announce that in the second quarter of this year, the United States economy grew at the amazing rate of 4.1%. We're on track to hit the highest annual average growth rate in over 13 years.
The president credits Republican tax cuts and new trade tariffs for record low unemployment numbers among minorities and fewer Americans on food stamps.
3.5 million Americans have been lifted off food stamps. That's because they were able to go out and get a job.
CBS News financial analyst Jill Schlesinger agrees the tax cuts are already paying off.
Corporations have taken those tax savings and spent a ton of money in the second quarter. And it looks like that individuals also have done some spending, retail spending up pretty significantly.
The president says his advisors have assured him this significant economic growth is no fluke, and some financial experts agree.
But a lot of economists think it is a one-off and then it will slow. I actually think it's more like a riptide current, and it's going to continue to roll for a little bit, not very long, but at least 2 or 3 more quarters. I see a lot of retailers doing really well, as you've seen and evidenced in the stock market. And you're going to see restaurants, higher spending, you're seeing wage increases, and that's all going to affect New Yorkers directly.
Financial analysts say about 25% of the GDP spike for this quarter is due to exports like corn and soybeans, with other countries buying up U.S. goods to avoid future tariffs. In the newsroom, Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
Well, despite the strong GDP numbers, markets closed lower. The S&P fell 18 points, the Dow lost 76, and the Nasdaq fell 114.